So here is the question number 3, which is the problems of the seventh grade. Is it? Eighth grade. So the question is asking us, we have to complete the table for y is equal to the x square plus 6x plus 9, which we have already done. And in the second part, we have asked that draw the graph of the given equations for minus 5 less than or equal to x and x less than or equal to 0. So we are making the graph on this paper. How to draw the graph by using this table from in between 0 axis in between 0 to minus 5. So let's draw the graph in the page. You can see here we are just labeling the point. Here is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. We need not the positive 1, 2, 3 because here is asking the axis between 0 to minus 5. So we need only negative numbers up to minus 5. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So here we have labeled the x-axis and here it is the y-axis. So you can see values of x is from minus 5 to 0, and we have got the values of the y as x is equal to the minus 5, then we get y is equal to the 4 and x is equal to the minus 4, then we get 1 0 1 4 9 respectively. So just we need to plot the point. As we are getting the values of x minus 5, we have got y is equal to the 4. So on the y-axis we have to plot the values of y. Here is 1 2 3 4 and here is a 5. 8 minus 1 we get the value 8 minus 1. Where is minus 1? Here. Minus 1 we get the value positive 4. So at the minus 1 we will go to the up 4, and at the 0 you can see here is a 0, the value is positive 9 which is above. So we are skipping the value of 0 to we are skipping the point 0 to 9. Just we are going to the point minus 2 and 1. So at the minus 2 we get the value 1. At the minus 2 we get the value positive 1. So here is a positive 1. And minus 3 we get the 0. At the minus 3 we get the 0. And minus 4 we get the positive 1 again. So here is a minus 4 we get the minus 4 we get the positive 1, you can see. And here is a minus 5 we get the positive 4. At the minus 5 we get the value positive 4. So here is the plotting of the points by using these given tables which we have solved. So connect these all points together, we got these types of the U-type graph. So you can see here and here, and this will go up there, right there. So this is a way to draw the graph of the given quadratic equations, and that type of equation is a quadratic. So you can make the graph like this way. Thank you.